Well, here it is, November 18th. Got about 5 more weeks on the property, so wrapping things up. This will be maybe a montage video of some of the things that we've done over the last 15 years, kind of based and stationed out of this house, but moving on to other places and other things. We have the studio, just breaking everything down, seeing what we have. Lots of art. Still working on one more piece before we go of Eliud Kipchoge. And then these big pieces here, still gotta find a home. Over the last 4 or 5 years, we spent a lot of times at Ho'okipa Beach, taking in all the windsurfing action, big wave action. I also made sure to get in when I had a chance to catch some of the waves on the North Shore. Yeah, so we're hoping that probably by the end of November we'll have almost everything wrapped up here and on to the Big Island. We also spent a lot of time hanging out at Jaws, watching all sorts of action over the last 4 or 5 years. I even decided to go out to Jaws on a boogie board. That's me with the white hat watching Kai Lenny ride a wave.
Yes. Woo, woo. All right, hold on, honey. There you go. That's what he had to do to get there. Good job, good job. Keep on going, keep on going. Keep on going, keep on going, honey. Keep on going. Yes, 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 yes. That's it. Yes. Perfect, perfect.
We got about 1 week to go here. Place is almost cleaned out. Still some big artwork. That's what we're taking to our RV, which is on its way from Port of Oakland. Kitty containers. Bathroom. Almost empty. Still lots to do. The car's going out tomorrow, and then we're going to Honolulu December, well, what is it, Friday? Running the Honolulu Marathon on Sunday, and then we'll be heading to the Big Island on Wednesday. So it's going to be an exciting 2 weeks, and hopefully everything goes nice and smooth. Well, we've spent a lot of weekends heading out to Hana on the east side of Maui, and it's just been an amazing time every time we go out there. So I'm gonna miss this part of Maui. It's a beautiful backcountry and just great breathtaking views. Well, I'm here at the track doing my last workout, 400. It's bread and butter. Good way to end the track session here at Kahului. But a lot of good memories at this track. Worked with a lot of people, spent a lot of hours, a lot of miles on here. So it's been a good friend. Have to find a new one out in the Big Island. But looking forward to it.
Congratulations to our medalists for the boys 3,000 meters.
I'll definitely miss a lot of my upcountry runs. Plus, there was that time we had work on the North Shore of Maui. Plus, a little time to play. Well, here we are at Young Brothers. We're getting ready to ship the car out to the Big Island. We'll be leaving this afternoon, right being in a week.
Shipping the car. I guess we're going.
The hat.
That's easy.
What made it so easy?
You make your reservations, you go, you drop it off. That's about it.
We already paid, so
Yep.
1 week we'll be picking it up. Thanks. Good watering. Well, we're down to one more night till we're off to Honolulu. Our stuff for the Big Island has expanded a little bit, but not too bad. And then the final bit of artwork here. So, we'll be